Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this amazing Valentine's Day mailbox cake! Wow, so cool, so creative. Start with a basic chocolate cake. Using a paper cutout, we're going to cut the middle out of the cake, so we're left with a kind of frame. Now get a full piece of chocolate cake, put it on your display board and cover in pink buttercream icing. We're going to layer it up with the frame. Couple of those. Then fill it with sprinkles. And pop in the piece to close. Then some more pink buttercream icing. And a final layer of chocolate cake. Tidy up the sides. And refrigerate for 1 hour. Now we're going to stick on a paper cutout cut in the shape of an arch on one end and carefully slice around it. We're going to form this arch shape on both sides of the cake. So it looks like a letterbox. Then coat the entire thing in pink buttercream icing. Use a piping bag for ease and a spinning platform. There, now smooth it out. Lovely! Refrigerate for 1 hour to let it set. Meanwhile, let's do our fondant icing decorations, starting with pink. We're going to roll it out on a sugared surface and cut out our dome shape for one end of our cake. Then we're going to do the same with black fondant icing. Lovely. Now red. With the red, we're going to cut out a love heart. And a smaller one in the middle. We can cut out lots of love hearts in different colours. Now roll out some purple fondant icing and cut out the shape for a lever. Then some light pink fondant icing. This is going to cover the entire cake. Wrap it around, press it down. Cut off the excess. Lovely. Then stick on your pink end. Using a brush, paint some water around the edges to add a pink border. Trim off the excess and do the same on the other side with the black fondant. Light pink around this one. And some bright pink along the bottom. Lovely. Then get one more piece, bright pink. Again, using water as glue to stick on the edges. So it looks like our mailbox is open. Now stick on your fondant heart decorations. Different colours. Excellent. And your lever, of course. And there you have it. Valentine's Day mailbox cake. Just slice it open. And all the love heart sprinkles fall out. Amazing!